Hi, my name is Georgina Crombie and I'm taking my nature video for Dr. Light's Undergraduate Pathways Environmental Science class. Today we're at the Riverbend Nature Center in Faribault, Minnesota, and I chose Riverbend because it is absolutely gorgeous. Also it's huge and there's a big variety of environmental things. So there's a big river, there's a pond, there's a forested area, there's open meadows and hills. And a lot of people come here, but it's so big and open that you have, you can often find a quiet space by yourself if you want a quiet trail. And there's lots of benches and picnic tables. It's just a wonderful place. I love coming here all the time, just for fun, and so I thought it would be a great spot to take my nature video. So the Riverbend Nature Center is a big part of the community here in Faribault, and as you can see there's actually a field trip here today, and there are often many events like this. So elementary schools, middle schools and high schools in the area often do field trips, and also there's community events here like community bonfires, and they do summer camps, so it's just a wonderful part of this community. It's a beautiful park and a great place to come for school field trips.
Bouncing that bouncy ball.
Hi, I'm Caitlin Moeller. I'm one of the education coordinators out here at Riverbend. Riverbend is about 743 acres. We have a wide array of habitats. We have a wetland, we have the straight river that runs through here, we have the forest, and we have 50 acres of restored prairie. So we have quite a bit of different ecosystems that one can visit while out here. On average, we serve about 15,000 kids a year out here at Riverbend. When I say serve, we do field trips, and we do scouts programs, 4-H groups, we do seniors activities. Just right now here at Riverbend, we have 150 kids from the Northfield area that are visiting and doing an orienteering and compass course. So we offer a wide array of activities out here at Riverbend. We're a nonprofit, meaning we don't receive any funding from the county or state. So our organization is membership driven. So in saying that, we get memberships from people once a year normally, and that supports our funds of our nature center to stay open and to pay the faculty that work here. We have, I think, 6 full-time employees and some part-time seasonals that also come here and do seasonal internships all school year, so it helps them build their teaching experience resume. We are just about to start our summer camp season off, and with our summer camps we serve ages 3 all the way up to 16. They're half-day camps, full-day camps, overnight backpacking camps, quite a array of camps.
So the first thing I noticed when I got to the nature center today are these gorgeous purple, pink and white flowers back here. The first thing we saw as we drove up. Funnily enough, I went to talk to the lady in the nature center about it, and she said that they're actually an invasive species that are really prevalent at this time of the year, and they're not a good thing to have around. As I said, they're an invasive species, and she said they absolutely take over the forest floor. So although they're beautiful, they're not that great, and they actually they often come into an area like this from wildflower seed packets, and that's probably how they started here and maybe spread. So now we're going to start taking some trails. As Casey mentioned inside, it's a massive park, but we're going to just cover a little bit of ground. Right now we're right here on the map. We're going to go down to Turtle Pond, hopefully get some videos of some turtles, and then from there we're going to go down to the river. And hopefully we'll find some different species along the way. So at the moment you can hear tons of birds. I can't see any at the moment, so I couldn't tell you what exactly they are, but there's just a constant sound of birds singing and chattering. You can also see that the forest floor is just absolutely covered with vegetation and trees, and it's just a beautiful day to be out and about walking. So we're coming up here on the Turtle Pond. You gotta be really quiet when we go up there. Hopefully we'll get to see some turtles. So as far as we can see, there's just these two little guys out today. Usually there's a lot more than that. I think maybe because it's not so sunny. I know usually these guys like to hop up on the different branches and logs and sunbathe, and maybe because the sun's not out strong today, they're not attracted to come to the top of the water. So today we're just with these two little guys, but they're still cute and fun to watch.
Hi, I'm Georgina's friend Claire, and I just graduated from the University of St. Thomas. I'm a biology minor, so I know a little bit about what's going on here at Turtle Pond. So the algae you see, it's green, can't miss it. It's due to eutrophication occurring in this pond. So basically that means there's just an excess of nutrients that's accumulating at the top and algae form, and it's damaging to any fish that would potentially find their home here. They wouldn't be able to access the sunlight, and they're not really able to eat it. So it does a good job of maintaining the lack of diversity in this pond. So it's a great habitat for the turtles, who are just fine to swim in it. Their gills aren't clotted by it at all, and they're able to actually eat it and enjoy it. So the little guy we found here even has it on his head. It's not a disturbance to them at all, and it preserves their habitat from predators and other species.
So today I bumped into a group of scavenger hunters, and they're going to tell us a little bit about what they've seen today. So what's your name?
David.
David. What school are you guys from?
Sibley.
Sibley Elementary?
Yeah.
So they're from Sibley Elementary. And what's your name?
Victoria.
What's your name?
Isabel. Soren.
Cool. So can you guys tell me some of the things you've seen today? I think Soren has something to show us.
We found a robin egg when we were walking up here before, and then who noticed it? Isabel noticed it.
It's a really pretty turquoise color. So that's really cool that you guys found that.
Some of the stuff that we've seen is we've seen a squirrel and birds and an earthworm
And spiders.
and a millipede and a bunch of different leaves, like a basswood leaf and an oak leaf and a maple leaf and a pointy leaf. We have some fungus and an acorn and a helicopter seed.
So can you tell me what your favorite thing you've done today here is?
Actually, finding the bird.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. All right, thank you guys. So right here we've got a decaying tree, and there's actually already some plants growing through it, and I bet within 5 or so years there'll be nothing left of this tree. So it's just pretty cool to see that this is in the middle of the process of kind of being recycled back into the earth. So we found a little part of the river here. It's a really narrow stream, kind of weak current right here. But after this we're going to try and find a little bit of a wider spot. So we found a wider spot where you can see the kind of full effect of the river. We're on a train track that runs over the river, and you can just see how wide this is. During the summers people come swimming here, people go on canoes and little boats, and I don't think you're allowed to fish around here, but if you were, it'd be a pretty good spot. Also, people float on tubes and all kinds of stuff, so it's a great spot and full of life, I'm sure. Thanks again for watching, guys. Riverbend is one of my favorite places to come. It's absolutely beautiful, especially at this time of the year, and hopefully you guys will get to come see it sometime. Thank you.